Chiliano for bringing me sa purpose. Today, I stand before you with the heartfelt gratitude as I look back on this meaningful journey. First, I would like to sincerely thank my parents for their endless love, support, and guidance. They have always encouraged me to become not only a better student, but also a better person. To my teachers, thank you for your patience and wisdom and guiding me every step of the way. And to my fellow students, thank you for your friendship, encouragement, and belief in me. Being with your articles has been a true blessing and a great honor. This experience has helped me grow in confidence, responsibility, and leadership. I have learned that working alone is not just about recognition, but about setting a good example and inspiring others. As I pass the ground, I want everyone to remember that winning title is not the only way to make a difference. What truly matters is having you in hand, strong bodies, and the willingness to become a better version of yourself each day. Thank you very much for believing me. Once again, I am Dr. Chilianco, your reigning Mr. Altitude. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. And now, let us echo our applause. To the reading, Miss RBCS 2024. Mario, I read 3.